Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create footer in a Google Docs. So let's start it. At first, open a docs file. Firstly, going to the insert menu option. Now click for the header and footer option and click for the footer option. Now click for the align center option and click for the left align option. Right text. Then show the all page is footer. This footer is select. I am going to the bold option, then change the color, then choose color. Now click for the option and click for the footer format option. Now click and click for apply. Then I show the carrot footer in a Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.